and particularly in combination with a couple of other data sources. And when I did this exercise at the Sydney Opera House, by putting Mosaic data into the database against every customer account, I was able to kind of use that to define 7 distinct different customer segments with different motivators. Now, I can't just do the rest of the presentation where I talk about those segments, even though I know it'd be helpful. I'm not with the Opera House anymore, it's their information, and more importantly, I think it's out of date. They're doing another one now, and my understanding is the segmentation model has shifted quite a lot because they've changed their programming considerably in the last few years. So it does show, I guess, that segmentation is an exercise that you've got to revisit. It's not something that just, is the same thing consistently. But I will show one segment a little bit later. So it was 375,000 customer accounts I appended Mosaic to, or the Chapter database analyst who was helping me did. One initial real benefit was that we were able to see where we were under and overrepresented in the community. Again, it's only a sample slide, so it's a little bit out of date now, but it does illustrate the point. The outcome around such an approach is to make some, decisions, some economic opportunities in your marketing campaigns. If segments A, B, and C, which you can see are very much overrepresented on the database, if they're our core customers, then if we can find others in those same categories who live in the same geographical areas, roughly, who aren't on our database now, then we have a very strong likelihood of conversion. So you'd start to modify your marketing campaigns accordingly to advertise in particular media that might be geographically specific, maybe community papers, or other kind of geographically specific media, or psychographically aligning it with their attitudes and values as well. Perhaps, for instance,